Hey guys, I have two loop patterns for you today. This technique is used in a lot of macrame weavings, but can be used for any wall hanging. Let's get started. To create your first loop, wrap your two working cords around your two filler cords. The hardest part is making sure that the rope sits the way you want it. My recommendation is to use a sturdy rope such as a 3-ply rope or a braided cord. Use the same method to create your second loop. Alternate your working cords and your filler cords to create your third and fourth loops. We will now create the second pattern. Start by creating a row of loops with your left cords being the working cords. We will create the second row of loops in between the first row of loops. Our filler cords from the previous row will become our working cords, and our working cords will now become our filler cords. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up below, and if you have any feedback, please feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly video tutorials.